leaving now. It was actually 6:30. Going to Florida right now. Bring this bad boy down for the fleet. This is the last one we have that we did a lot of work to. So now this is the final. We're ready to go to Florida right now. So I'm driving out to Florida right now as we speak. Call it a day. So I'm on my way to Florida right now. When I arrive, I'll do another video. Alright, so this is the final product. Going to Florida right now as we speak. As I said, now it's 6:30. So let's see what time tomorrow I get down. Alright, catch you on the next drift. So finally make it to Florida. Just arrived. 3:20. Just arrived. Alright, so now this is the new member of the fleet. Just arrived. So mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Alright. Mission accomplished. Alright. Just arrived in Florida. That's it.
Welcome to my channel. What's up, me family? What's up, me gang? Alright, so partner there now, you know. I'll be there from up New York and just bring down. No, not one. I'll be there already. So I'm just forward in and I go basically work on the car them and I'll fix them up down. I need an axle on the driver's side. This is a 2014 Chevy Sonic. Need an axle on the driver's side, so I'll come in, you know, and I'm go work on them. Well, me and him go work on them because I'm go show me what I go on. So you know what I mean? So when him cut, I know what I do. You see it? And this is a 2015. This is our 2015 Chevy Sonic. This need the cam, tweezers, timing belt, water pump. So we're going to get down there and done today into tomorrow also. And the brakes, I think that the check engine light is on. So that one now we'll get the phasers, the two phasers, the timing belt, the water pump, and the two bowls. So that is the 2015. So we got the 2014, 2015 Sonic. Oh look, I missed one. That one I don't need nothing, it's just waiting to be booked right now. This is a 2014 Chevy Spark right now. We're gonna check the brakes on it. Just to be sure. But don't need nothing. Drive it, it'll drive perfect. You know what I mean? So that is good for now. And then again now. So we have the 2014, 2015 and the 2015 Chevy Spark. This one now just forward down. I'll just drive this down from today. From yesterday into today. So we just received this drive. No. You not getting over? You not engaged? Huh? You not engaged yet? Okay. So I'll just bring down and now. Come from up top, you see? So overnight driving, you know how you go, in New York. In New York. You hear that? New York to Florida run. You see it there? So I'll go on to the flag, my boss, because people don't see what they not see. You know.
They hear what they not see. They hear what they not see, but hearing living color, man.
Yeah, man, definitely. You see it? So, yeah, so we just get this one now, just bring down that one, yeah. You know what I mean? Wheel them brand new wheel and tires to show in a video before. You watch a video?
No.
Yeah, man, we drop a video yesterday. You want there?
Yeah.
But me last said, even the two videos I today, that would have good for put on, we done drop it already. So me I go just put in that one and see what I got. You see? So that one, you know, good and everything. Well, I say I'm going to just change the brakes because when I come down you feel like a slight little pulsation or whatever upon it, little shakes. we have some rotor and we have some pad we are going to just put on it and then I want to go be ready by Monday, the latest, you know what I mean, for the fleet, you see me? That one is the first one we have on the fleet. The first one this we have, though? Yes. That one is the first one. So right now, back brakes, I get the dealer yesterday and go cut an extra key feet and I feel the brakes that make some nice, you know? So I start to check it. Today we come now and I take off the wheel already. I'm going to need some back brakes, we may need some front brakes so we got auto zone and I'll go buy some brakes for that one. Yeah. This is a 2020 Corolla, this is the blue one. This one have the most trip on the Turo. It's about almost 50 trip right now. You know what I mean? So we just, so this one is the first one we put on Turo. Have the most trip right now, right? So, that is basically it right now. The white one, the white 2020 Corolla is out. This one we just done take the picture of them for. This is the black one, 2020 Corolla. This is going out 9 a.m. in the morning. This is going out 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m. in the morning. You see? So, this is the dog, everything. You know, most of the uniform, yo. The dog them love. Why I tell you to blows this? I'm there, my yard, me. Can't get no peace with the dog. So this is the 2020, the black 2020 Corolla is going out on a booking in the morning. So I just took the pictures, the 3 trip pictures. And yeah, just went to the gear out right now. Just be outside working. And yeah, so I'll just drive down and bring me a whole bunch of what you call it? Tools. When I go garage, I go show my I don't know, man. Told me I'm a proper mechanic, you know. I don't know if the camera. It's a little messy in here, I'm not organized yet, but yeah, we get some tools. You see me? We get some whole heap of things, you know. The 2 backlight for the spark. You know what I'm saying? Whole heap of things, man. Some whole heap of things. You see me, so? You don't know I go already. You know, we have a vision, we have a dream, and we have work towards it. You see me? Right? So, yeah. So, yeah, already. So, the one axle just done. Master at work, you know? Yes, sir. Alright. Alright, so that one I'm up and running again. One more time. You see it? Now if you align it again.
No, you know the thing about I put it back the same way though.
Yeah.
Because they have a camber bolt. I don't know why they put, like, you lose the bolt.
Yeah.
But I put it back the way I've taken it off though.
Okay.
You look good. Just every rotation is watch tire.
Just watch it out. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not sure so we are.
Alright, so the right side up to the left side. The right side up to them from now on. So, running up and running again.
So now, all of them have sense. Because these never have no sense of panel, I never hear them, you know.
Okay.
So they really did change them already. Oh. You break up?
Fresh brakes.
Or electric brake cause it or what, but
The butt brakes.
Finish first
Cha.
all the time.
Both sides done now. Check the front.
You know, I'm out of engine before I left there, go on there. About those is that it
New one. Brakes done from this. Okay. Front brakes and rear brakes done on this car. 2020 Corolla. Now we did the axle, the driver axle on this. We check the brakes on the swap, because brakes is good at the moment. And then that one right there, the black one's going out tomorrow for rental, 9 AM. So we got that one ready. But this one is up and back and running because we just needed the axle. Yeah. A what? Ratchet angle? Yeah, man, I have a ratchet angle. You want it? Small one?
yeah, we're gonna need it. Yeah, alright. Small one, we'd have to take out the plate with.
Yeah, man. How me do it? Yeah, there's someone way up here. Alright, so I know where I do it. Yeah.
Turn the steering to me, dear. Give me access.
To you?
Start and turn the steering.
So this one, yeah, we're gonna do the front brakes, front pad and rotor, eh?
Yeah.
Front pad and rotor.
Pads and rotors on this one.
Alright, that's alright. So front brakes on this, rear brakes done on this. Front brakes, rear brakes. Right side axle done. Axle is leaking. And two there right there. So tomorrow we're gonna do the camshaft on the Sonic, the next Sonic 2015 Sonic camshaft timing belt. So I'll show you all that tomorrow when we get started with that one. Right, so yeah. You know what I mean? I'll come in, drive this one down to check on the fleet, You know, he's just making sure the fleet we're good to be on the road, you know. Making sure everything safety is good, all fluids is good, tire pressure, everything. Just an overall check of the fleet right now. The white Corolla is out, so that one now will get checked. That one is out, and by the time I want to come back Monday, so by the time you come back Monday, I'll be leaving Sunday, so you know. So yeah, but that one there, you know what I mean, by what she showing me right now, I should be able to manage that one there and deal with it the right way. You want light, boss? Eh? What's up, me family? What's up, me gang? Up early, you know? Gotcha. Yeah, fresh now. Cloud, floor mat, color meal. And we just rise, put the car out front. Yeah, first booking for the morning. So that we gone outside. You know what I mean? Early rise. Early stop sign. And stop sign and I look at me like, where's be? Yeah. So yeah, me family, we up early. We put the black 2020 Corolla out front because we got a booking. Got a booking for 9 a.m. Yeah, so took care of that already. I know I'm get this other cars ready. I gotta wash. This one I gotta wash. This one right here. I gotta wash that one right there. And this one right here is getting worked on today. Yep, that one is getting worked on today. And so I got about this one. Oh, this one don't go on the side until Monday, but I'm still gonna maybe just clean the inside of it. This is the one that just came. Ali just drove down from New York, so I may just clean the inside of this one today. And then list it Monday, and it should be up and running by Monday, y'all. You know what I mean? Yeah. Turo fleet up and running. So we started with 1. Now we at 7. We got 7 cars. So if you're looking for a car in the Orlando area, you know what I'm saying? If you're coming into MCO, Sanford International, let's hit me out, look me all up, y'all. It's Malfin. It's Malfin. www.malfin.com. You know what I mean? Or you could just go to the Turo site and search me. Should be it. Dave Malcolm. You know what I mean? So yeah, back in the garage. I'm gonna bring those cars one and start cleaning them up. So I record into the day, y'all, so y'all get a good video and Ali working on the car and doing this stuff, and you know what I mean? So yeah, catch y'all later, me family. Peace. No what?
No dogling.
No vlogling?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
What? Oh, that wasn't here since the last time Uncle Ali come. Yeah, he brought it down from New York when he chopped off the one over there. No. No, this one right here, look.
Oh, okay.
Look, that one right there and that one is the same thing. Right? Amy, where you going?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Okay, staying with me then?
Nope.
Oh, whatever, man. Whatever. What you doing?
Doing my dance.
You doing a dance? What you call it?
My Yanni freestyle.
You know what you need? No, you need something on your lips, okay? Your lips are dry. Like chips. Dry like chips. They try like
Yours
it.
looks like strict too.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Man, what are you talking about over there, man? Hey, Annie. What are you talking about over there? Huh? What you think? What you telling Uncle Holly just now? I heard you, you know. Molly, she threw me under the bus, no? See, Molly say you threw me under the bus. Can't believe you, man. Wait, man.
I didn't say anything.
I heard you.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
You threw me under the bus?
Don't tell Daddy what he said. Don't be afraid to tell Daddy what he said. Daddy don't take our wheels. When you gonna start just now, you see how the two first?
Okay, man. I see you. It's all good.
Oh, you don't really take off wheels.
Okay, what did I do?
Just wash the car and rent it out.
Wash the car and rent it out? Okay. What do you do?
Ride her bike.
You ride your bike?
No.
Whatever. Okay. Hey, my boss. Eh? What?
Just gonna pull it. Skid the red kit that come from here. The red kit there.
Yes, my boss. All good?
Yeah, man. Job well done.
Job well done. That is it, bro. Job well done, isn't it? Oh, I know. Job well done, man.
Yo, the first time basically I almost seen everybody together. Yo, that's crazy, dude. Look at that. Here they are. This is all the fleet. The white Corolla is out. Look at that. That shit looks good, man. Doing good. Doing good. Doing good. So one, that's the Spark. 2020 Corolla. 2020 Corolla. The other 2020 white Corolla is out. This is the 15 Sonic. This is the other 15 Sonic. This is the other one. This is the other one too. Yeah.
What's up, mean family? What's up, mean gang? What's up, y'all? Blessed Monday morning. Yeah. So right now, heading to the DMV to get this car registered. The Sonic that Ali brought down from New York. So I'm heading to the DMV before I go to work. Yep. To get this car registered, so later when I get off work, I could wash him off and vacuum it up, clean it up, and list it on Turo. So we can list it, right? Yeah, so yeah, man, we just over here doing the work, trying to get stuff done. Minding my business. Just trying to get stuff done. What's up with y'all today, man? It's Monday. What's goody? Alright, so I check back in with y'all once I finish with the DMV. I'm pulling up right now. Tell y'all how it goes. Yeah, and then let me just close it out. Let me just close it out right there. You know what I'm saying? After I'm finished with the DMV, close out this video. Got a lot of good clips for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You know, Holly was here over the weekend. He brought this car down from New York. We put brakes on cars, we put axle on. Well, Ali did all the work. You know, I just was a spectator, just looking. But yeah, he did all the legwork. So what can I say? You know what I mean? Save us a whole bunch of money just now. All we had to do is buy his ticket, and he come down, fix the car, fly back up. Right? So that's what it is, that's what it was. So I'm gonna head into the DMV right now, and then I'm gonna let y'all know when I get out. Alright? Yeah.